Mama's a wild girl. She's gonna try to get out of there. Tickle her toes.
Stop, baby. Oh, now you got up.
Oh, she's gonna go eat her duck. She's like
Your
stuck.
leg is trapped.
Oh, yay! Looks like you know how to crawl at least. She doesn't want to sit in the corner. Silly girl. There she goes. There she goes. Squeezing her way out. She's so smart. What? Little girl, you are so naughty. Say, what's up? What's going on, huh? Say, what's going on? Whoa, I'm so happy, huh? So get me out of that corner.